Hello, kids. Welcome to Learn with Fun. Hello, kids. Let's learn some colors. Rose pink color, violet color, gray color, maroon color, yellow color, dark green color, plum color, orange color, lavender color. A for apple, apple. B for boy, boy. C for candy, candy. D for doll, doll. E for elephant, elephant. F for flower, flower. G for girl, G for girl. H for helicopter, helicopter. I for ice cream. J for jam, jam. K for kite, kite. L for lemon. M for mushroom, mushroom. N for noodles, noodles. O for octopus, octopus. P for parrot. Q for quail, quail. R for rabbit. S for snake, snake. T for tree, tree. U for uniform, uniform. V for violin. W for window. X for X-ray. Y for yacht, yacht. Z for zebra, zebra. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Subscribe.